check out the kayak trailer. So what I did, I was gonna do a whole do it yourself on this trailer, quite honestly, but I was under time constraints and everything else when I was doing it, and frustration, energy, time, it all just factored into I didn't film it. So it's a Harbor Freight utility trailer, and this whole trailer from start to finish under 500 bucks. Now, that said, I already had a bunch of square steel sitting around the house. I had pretty much everything except the trailer and the plywood. So the trailer I got on sale. You can tell it's Harbor Freight because the utility tag is upside down because it's supposed to be on the other side. It's on this side. I don't know, whatever. So I got the trailer on sale. Plywood was, as you already know, freaking expensive, but this is my kayak trailer. Now, right now, the front and back do not come off because I didn't have time before this weekend. They will come off, though. I'm just going to drill out 4 holes, and I'm going to put snap pins in so that I can take the front and back on and off as I want to. I've got, let's go over here. Should have done this before I loaded it. I got PVC rod holders for rods, nets, whatever. Foam pool noodles around the 3 bars for the Outback to sit on. And then I got 2 J hooks for the other kayak to sit on in the times when I need to take it. Typically, I won't have this much stuff, but since we're going camping, we're pretty well loaded down.
Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.